Exploring the world of first-person shooters. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's popular in the world of video games: first-person shooters. If you've ever been curious about what this term means and why these games are so beloved, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the essence of first-person shooters together and see what makes them tick. A first-person shooter, FPS, is a genre of video games centered around gun and other weapon-based combat through a first-person perspective. This means that, as a player, you see the game world through the eyes of your character. It creates a deep sense of immersion, making you feel as if you're directly part of the action. The primary goal in these games is usually to complete missions or objectives, often while battling enemies and navigating through different environments. First-person shooters are known for their dynamic gameplay and immersive experiences. Some key features include real-time action. Gameplay is fast-paced, requiring quick reflexes and strategic thinking. Diverse weapon arsenals. Players can choose from a wide range of weapons, each with its unique advantages and disadvantages. Multiplayer modes. Many FPS games offer multiplayer options, allowing players to compete against or cooperate with each other online. Detailed environments. These games often feature complex and detailed game worlds that players can explore. The popularity of first-person shooters can be attributed to several factors. They offer an intense, immersive gaming experience that other genres can't match. The first-person perspective puts players right in the middle of the action, making every decision and movement feel significant. Moreover, the social aspect of multiplayer gameplay has fostered large communities of gamers who come together to compete, collaborate, and share their experiences. First-person shooters are a cornerstone of the gaming world, offering an immersive, intense experience that draws players in. Whether you're navigating through alien landscapes, surviving zombie apocalypses, or competing in futuristic arenas, FPS games have something for everyone. We hope this video has shed some light on the exciting world of first-person shooters. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.